it turns out that much of what accounts for success in life is not skill or hard work, but luck. And in that case, it's not true that rich people are rich because they deserve it, or because they have skills or worked harder. They're just lucky. And why do we necessarily want to reward luck? Indeed, can't we think of redistribution as kind of luck insurance? Imagine a world where a random event's going to happen to you. You get hit by a car. We talked about why we want insurance, right? We want insurance to make sure that if we get hit by the car or don't get hit by the car, we're in the same off. Well, same thing. Rawls talked about behind the veil of ignorance. Imagine before you're born, you don't know if you're going to be rich or poor. You would choose a system which would insure you against being poor. And that system which would involve transfers. So if much of success is due to luck, we're going to want a system that distributes the rich to the poor because the rich got lucky, the poor didn't. That's uncertainty we want to insure against. Okay? Fascinating fact. If you interview people around the world and ask them, is success mostly due to hard work or to luck? In the US, people say hard work. In Europe, people say luck. In Europe, they have much higher redistribution than we do in the US because they have a view that much more success comes from luck. Now, the answer is it's both in every case, but it's sort of an interesting way two ways to think about the world.